At number 2, we have the Breville BDF500XL. This is our runner-up pick and excels at maintaining consistent oil temperature, crucial for achieving crispy, non-greasy results. This 1800-watt deep fryer boasts a 4-quart capacity and features cool zone technology, which creates a protective area beneath the heating element to trap debris and extend oil life. The fryer offers 7 pre-programmed cooking functions, including options for fresh and frozen foods, allowing for precise cooking of various dishes. Its LCD digital control panel displays temperature and countdown timer, enhancing user convenience. The fryer's design incorporates a splatter-catching lid and vessel, reducing mess and guiding oil back into the fryer. Cleanup is simplified with a dishwasher-safe removable vessel. The fryer heats up and recovers temperature quickly, minimizing wait times between batches. Constructed with stainless steel, the BDF500XL promises durability. Its compact dimensions of 15 by 10 by 10 inches make it suitable for most kitchens.